Take a ride in the 2018 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power tilting steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.